Hi students, today we are going to discuss the very important topic of haloalkanes and haloarenes. This is nucleophilic substitution reactions. In short, we can write SN reactions. We can say nucleophilic substitution or substitution nucleophilic reactions. These are of two types, SN1 and SN2. Before explaining in detail what is basically SN1 and SN2, we will discuss certain important points. Like for example, what is nucleophile? I will explain you this term. What is nucleophile? Nucleophile are the species which are electron rich. Basically, they are electron pair donor. Nucleophiles जो होते हैं, they are electron pair donor. These nucleophiles, they may have negative charge or they may be neutral also. Nucleophiles may having negative charge or they may be neutral. The example of negatively charged nucleophile, for example, it is OH negative, CN negative. Such type of nucleophiles are also known as ambident nucleophile. Only this CN negative, not OH minus, because in ambident nucleophiles the possibility are of from different sites. This is also donor. Carbon may act as donor, nitrogen may act as donor. So this is ambident nucleophile. The example for neutral nucleophile, for example, it is water. Water is having two lone pairs on oxygen, so it is electron rich, but there is no charge, so it is in the category of neutral nucleophile. After this, the main point is whether it is haloalkane or haloarene, there is always a covalent bond between कार्बन एंड हेलोजन. इस बॉन्ड को हम डिस्कस करेंगे बेटा. कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड बिटवीन कार्बन एंड हेलोजन. वी ऑल नो दैट हेलोजन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव देन कार्बन. तो दिस हेलोजन एटम विच इज बॉन्डेड टू कार्बन विल अट्रैक्ट द पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. यहाँ जो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है ये हेलोजन इसको अट्रैक्ट करेगा एंड द रिजल्ट इज हेलोजन विल बी गेटिंग पार्शियल नेगेटिव चार्ज एंड कार्बन विल बी गेटिंग पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सच टाइप ऑफ बॉन्ड इज नोन एज पोलर बॉन्ड. ये पोलैरिटी डेवलप हो गई है इन CX बॉन्ड. तो नाउ इट इज़ क्लियर व्हाट आर न्यूक्लियोफाइल्स एंड व्हाट इज़ अ पोलर बॉन्ड. Nucleophile always attack at the part of the molecule which is electron deficient. As I told you, nucleophile is electron rich. It will attack at that part of any molecule which is electron deficient. Now, nucleophilic substitution reactions in detail. The reactions in which a nucleophile, listen carefully, nucleophilic substitution reactions को हम समझा रहे हैं. ये वो reactions हैं जिनमें a nucleophile replaces another nucleophile. Therefore the name is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophile, electron rich species. Nucleophilic substitution reaction in which one nucleophile will replace another nucleophile. Nucleophilic substitution reactions can proceed by two different mechanisms. It may be SN1, it may be SN2. S means substitution, N means nucleophilic. 1 when the molecularity of the reaction is 1. 2 is indicating the molecularity of the reaction is 2. So now I am explaining what is SN1 type. SN1 takes place in 2 steps, and SN2 mechanism takes place in 1 step. SN1 की बात कर रहे हैं तो 2 स्टेप्स हमें समझने हैं. द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप 1. In this step the alkyl halide slowly dissociates into halide ion and carbocation. Beta, one more thing, when I am saying alkyl halides, see carefully, alkyl halides, they may be 1 degree, that is primary, 2 degree, that is secondary, 3 degree, that is tertiary. What is 1 degree, what is 2 degree, what is 3 degree? The carbon which is bonded to halogen, if it is further bonded to 3 alkyl groups, these alkyl groups may be same, they may be different, then this particular alkyl halide is in the category of 3 degree alkyl halide. As I told you that in all the alkyl halides, this bond is must X bonded with carbon. Now this carbon which is bonded to X, if it is further bonded to 3 alkyl groups, this is 3 degree. If it is bonded to 2 alkyl groups, third alkyl group की जगह हाइड्रोजन आ जाएगा, then it becomes 2 degree. And if it is bonded to only 1 alkyl group, then it will be 1 degree. The order of reactivity of various alkyl halides in SN1 is 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. So in SN1 we generally prefer tertiary alkyl halide. SN2 में ये रिवर्स हो जाएगा. It is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. एल्काइल हैलाइड के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात हो रही है. जब हम SN1 रिएक्शन पढ़ेंगे तो वी विल गिव प्रेफरेंस टू 3 डिग्री, एंड व्हेन वी रीड अबाउट SN2 वी विल गिव प्रेफरेंस टू 1 डिग्री. सो इन SN1 द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज this is tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide, it dissociates into ये यहाँ प्लस साइन आ जाएगा because this bond, the electron pair is present between carbon and bromine. This bromine will leave in the form of bromide ion, Br negative. This is the first step and this is the slow step. In chemical kinetics, the slowest step will be the rate determining step. Again I repeat, in the first step tertiary butyl bromide, ये जो हमने फॉर्मूला लिखा है, the name is tertiary butyl bromide. This tertiary butyl bromide dissociates into this carbocation. This is carbocation. This carbocation is trigonal planar. Here the hybridization of this carbon is sp3. Here the hybridization is sp2. And now second step, step 2. As soon as this carbocation formed, ये कार्बोकेटायन बना, the nucleophile will combine This is nucleophile which has one electron pair. It will combine to form this product. This is the first step. So the first step was slow. Second step is fast. Order already explained in SN1. We prefer to 3-degree alkyl halide. Allylic and benzylic halides also show greatest reactivity through SN1 mechanism. In my next video, I will be explaining you what is SN2 mechanism, and there are some factors which definitely affect these two mechanisms. The factors are nature of alkyl halides, as I told you, nature of nucleophile. Weak nucleophile favors SN1 mechanism. Strong nucleophile favors SN2. यहाँ बेटा वीक न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक है, इसलिए वीक न्यूक्लियोफाइल पहले वेट करता है कि पहले कार्बोकैटायन बने, देन आई विल अटैक. SN2 में हम पढ़ेंगे द रिएक्शन इज़ ओनली वन स्टेप रिएक्शन. न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक भी है और ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट न्यूक्लियोफाइल वो साइमल्टेनियसली लीव भी करेगा. एंड द लास्ट फैक्टर इज़ नेचर ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. द सॉल्वेंट इज़ पोलर प्रोटिक or polar aprotic, it also depends. Thank you.